Is your engine running hotter than normal? Has your fuel economy suddenly dropped? Or did your check engine light come on for no obvious reason? Before you blame the radiator or thermostat, a tiny coolant temperature sensor could be the real problem. Ignoring it can lead to poor engine performance, overheating, and expensive repairs. In this video, we'll show you 6 warning signs of a failing coolant temperature sensor so you can catch the problem before it gets worse. What does the coolant temperature sensor do? The coolant temperature sensor constantly monitors your engine's coolant temperature and sends that information to the engine control module, also known as the ECM. The ECM uses this data to control fuel delivery, ignition timing, and even when the cooling fan should turn on. When the sensor starts sending incorrect information, your engine can no longer operate efficiently. Sign number 1. Check engine light. One of the earliest warning signs is the check engine light. When the coolant temperature sensor sends incorrect readings, the ECM detects the problem and stores a fault code. Using an OBD2 scanner can help identify the issue before it leads to more serious engine problems. Sign number 2. Engine overheating. If your engine begins overheating even though the coolant level looks normal, a faulty coolant temperature sensor could be the reason. Incorrect temperature readings may prevent the cooling fan from switching on at the right time, allowing engine temperatures to rise quickly. Sign number 3. Poor fuel economy. A failing sensor can also increase fuel consumption. If the ECM believes the engine is colder than it actually is, it may inject extra fuel into the engine. That rich fuel mixture wastes gas and reduces overall fuel efficiency. Sign number 4. Hard starting. Does your car take longer than usual to start, especially in the morning? Without accurate coolant temperature information, the ECM can't calculate the proper fuel mixture during startup, making the engine crank longer before it finally starts. Sign number 5. Temperature gauge acting strange. Keep an eye on your dashboard temperature gauge. If the needle suddenly jumps, drops, or fluctuates without any obvious reason, it may be receiving inaccurate information caused by a failing coolant temperature sensor. Sign number 6. Black smoke from the exhaust. A faulty coolant temperature sensor can also cause the engine to run too rich. When excessive fuel enters the combustion chamber, you may notice black smoke coming from the exhaust along with a strong fuel smell. Fixing the problem early can help prevent damage to your catalytic converter. A bad coolant temperature sensor may be small, but it can have a big impact on your engine's performance, fuel economy, and reliability. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, don't ignore them. Scan your vehicle, inspect the sensor, and repair the problem before it turns into a costly breakdown. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to FixPro Garage, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow automotive repair guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.